Tony Maritato here. I've got a little tip for those of you using a TENS unit. When your pads start to lose some of their stickiness, I want to show you what I do. There's really two ways you can do this. So if you're using an ice pack while you're doing TENS, it's an awesome option. But what you can do actually is you can use your ice pad and stick your TENS pads on there using a little bit of Elmer's glue or some double-sided tape. You can even use a little Velcro. And so what happens is when you stick your 4 pads on where you want them, and then you put that over your knee, those pads are going to make the contact where you need to feel the sensation of the TENS. The same holds true for a back. So if I'm worried and I can't get the TENS where I want it, I stick them on my ice pack. This is a cool pack from Chattanooga. When I have it behind me, I sit in my chair, and when I lean back, I've got great contact. Even if the TENS pads no longer have the stickiness, it doesn't even matter because the ice pad is holding it where it belongs. Now, if you're not gonna use ice, because maybe you're sensitive to ice or you just don't like the sensation, let me grab something. All you do is a little stretch strap like this. This is one of my favorites, but you can certainly use a regular ace wrap. You would put the TENS pads where they belong. You would hold them in place with the compression wrap. You'd put the 2 below, then you'd put the 2 above. You would give me a 50% coverage as you come over the top. And then this would give you both the compression to keep the joint warm, as well as the holding the pads in place. Guys, I hope that tip was helpful. If it was, like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you next time.